this is Brenda's Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is Belgium. I'll be trying the recipe for Belgian waffles, so let's get started. Now to start our waffles, we're going to need 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, and this is instant yeast. This is 2 teaspoons, but you can also get like a small package that has 7 grams. Same thing. Now I'm gonna put this on low as it mixing. I'm gonna add 1/3 of water, lukewarm. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Then 3 eggs. Then I have 1 cup of melted butter. When your mixture is well combined, then you want to transfer into a bowl. It's a really sticky dough. Then you just want to get a towel, cover it, and let it rise for an hour. Just to give you guys a little hack, to able to have your dough proof even faster, I just turn on my oven to at least 350 and just leave it on top, covered, and it will proof faster. Now my dough has been rising for an hour. Now I have 1 cup of pearl sugar. You can't really find this in grocery stores, but I did order it online. If you'd like to know where I got it, just comment below. So we're just gonna add 1 cup and we're just gonna mix this up. So when it's well mixed, we're going to cover this again and let it rise for another 30 minutes. So our dough has finished rising. It was another 30 minutes. I got my waffle maker out. Now it's time to bake our waffles. So you want to make sure you want to spray first. And I'm going to use half a cup. So then place it in the middle. Close it. And wait until it's done. So my whole batter made 7 waffles. Now you could top this any way you like. So I'm just gonna add some powdered sugar. on top. And a little strawberry decoration. And look how beautiful that turned out. This is the best waffle I ever had in my life. It was so delicious, so sweet, so buttery. It was awesome. You guys got to try this recipe and let me know how it went for you guys. And like always, I'll see you guys at my next donation. Don't forget to like and subscribe.